Hi! Hello! Good evening! Good evening here sa UK. And today is for unboxing day. I have two boxes here. And my ER for the month of June. And these are, I bought this one. Lavender conditioner. My B6. And then my Tibbs toothpaste. Whitening teeth. Whitening. And then my charcoal bar. Charcoal bar soap. And what is this? Oh, lavender essential oil. And this is the freebies of lemon. My freebies. And another box of laundry soap. Tibbs. My laundry soap. Yay! Yay! And for my second box, in the name of my daughter, freebies. I know, not freebies. My order in behalf of my daughter's name is frankincense. Wait, hold. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo ba guys? Frankincense. And then peppermint. Peppermint. And the previous is the lemon again. So I have 2 lemon now. And mineral skin lotion. And dun da da da. Dun da da da. The Swatch yellow. Finally, nagkaroon na rin. It's been a long time. Ay, parang small size. Laging out of stock. So, finally, meron na! Yes! I think it's a small. Yay! It's supposed to be pala large ang binili ko. Small size. Thank you and bye for now.